All right, we're going to take the circumference measurements, and as you can see here, we're going to do it from the waist. The measure should be taken with a flexible and elastic spring-loaded tape measure. And you want to make sure you're standing on the right side of the client when you administer the test. And you want to make sure you're measuring on bare skin. The tape measure should be flat against the skin and pulled with proper tension without pinching the skin. The measurement should be taken at the end of a normal exhalation by the client, and then we want to record it in centimeters. There's a few different sites you can take it. As you see here, they're taking it from the waist, but before this, it was taken at the abdomen. You want to make sure you take a duplicate measurements of each side, and you want to take the average of the two measurements and use that score to make sure you get the most accurate reading. And you see it's not too tight. Okay, now for the Skinfold measurements, we know that this is the best estimating percent of body fat you can do. All measurements are taken on the right side of the body with the client standing upright. You want to mark or measure and mark the Skinfold site with the pen. And you want to mark and measure 1 centimeter above the Skinfold site with that marker. So exactly where you'll grasp the fat. You want to firmly grasp the fat with the thumb and the pointer finger with your left hand, like you're reading a watch. Begin with the fingers 3 inches apart and perpendicular to the long axis. You also want to make sure you do not have any muscle. As you see here, she's marking the site. You want to place that caliper with your right hand with the scale facing up. There's 3 different sites you want to take the Skinfold from. We have the abdomen, the chest, and as you see here, the thigh. When you're doing the thigh, you want to make sure it's on the interior midline of the thigh, midway between the proximal border and the patella of the hip. And we do the abdomen and thigh, and the chest for men. And for women, we do the triceps, the thigh, and the abdomen as well. As you see here, they're doing it on the tricep using a marker. And as you see here, they're doing it right here on the abdomen, getting a nice pinch.